In this video, we're gonna take a look at one of the best construction management software out there, which is Buildertrend. So on this platform, you're gonna be able to manage your project, use the platform for sales management, financial management, materials management, and communication management. So this is one of the best platforms because they offer unlimited user, unlimited jobs, and unlimited potential for overall business. So if we take a look here at solutions, so as you can see here, this is one of the best platform for home builders, for remodelers, and for specialty contractors. So you can bring your team here and manage everything on this platform. So from project management, as I said earlier, to sales, and even for material management, to basically manage how much material you have for your business. Now, if we take a look at pricing, we can see here that we have this form. So what builder type best describes your business? So here I'm going to choose some random ones just to show you how this works. But overall here, you're gonna have to simply submit this form and then they're gonna contact you and offer a quote. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.